So, in this video we will consider the linear equations and we will focus on activity find the mistake. So given the solution and you should find the mistake. Before we start, I want to say that in the below you will find a PDF file with this worksheet. So you can just download and try by yourself first, or you can just first video and see the solution straightforward. Enjoy the video. So first question, given that we have to solve each of the following equations. The equation A, given that x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 2x. So now we multiply by 2. So we multiplied by 2 each part. And after simplification, we will have 2x. 2 is reduced. It's x, negative x. And then equals to 2. Yeah, so the mistake is 2 here. So 1 times 2 is 2. It should be 2. That's why the correct version will be 2x minus x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, next, number 2. So first we should open the brackets. Let's work out with the left side. We open the brackets. 2x minus 2, 3x plus 3, and 4x plus 14. Okay, so it looks like everything is correct so far. Now let's go to the next part. 2x plus 3x is 5x. And minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Right? Now go to the next step. Now we're shifting this 4x to the left side with the opposite sign. And you see that it is 5x minus 4x and 16 minus 1. Yeah, minus 1. Okay, everything is correct so far. Okay, now next, 5x minus 4x. So 5x minus 4x is 1x. So this is a mistake. 5x minus 4x is equal to 16 minus 1. I just copied. And then it is equal to x equals to 16 minus 1 is 15. Okay, this is a mistake. Now the correct answer is 15, straightforward. Okay, so that's why we don't need to write this, because this step is not correct. Okay. Okay, next, number C. So here we have the example with two brackets. We have brackets, outer brackets, the square brackets, and the inner brackets, the usual one. Now we start to work with the inner expression here, and you see that if we will open the brackets, we will have 7 minus 5y plus 4, because minus times minus give us plus. Okay, so everything is fine. Now let's open the square brackets. 2y minus 7y minus 7y. So then minus 5 is plus 5y, and then minus times plus, so minus times plus, it's minus. So this is a mistake here. So we have to write here 2y minus 7 plus 5y minus 4 equals to 6. And now let's combine the like terms. 7y minus 11 equals to 6. Then 7y is equal to 6 plus 11, and y is equal to 17 over 7. Done. Now we can leave the answer the same way. 17 over 7. Okay. Now let's turn to the next question, the last question, D. In question D, it says that we have in the left side the fraction, in the right side decimal, and it is really convenient to everything multiply by 4. So let's multiply everything by 4. And what we see, 4 multiplied here, but what about 5? Why it's not multiplied by 4? Oh, it's a mistake. Now we have to underline that. Let's write the correct version here. 4 times 3 over 4x minus 5 times 4, 0.5x times 4. Okay, now let's solve carefully. So we have 4's cancelled. It is 3x minus 5 times 4 is 20. So it's minus 20. And 0.5 times 4, it is 2, so 2x. Okay. Next step, let's everything with variables goes to the left side, minus 2x equals to the 20 with the opposite sign. So it is 3x minus x is x is equal to 20. Okay, so that's how this activity works. We have considered the linear equations. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and this video will be hope was useful for you. Please subscribe, share with friends. I'll be happy to see there any questions and suggestions what next video will be about. Thank you and goodbye.